In today's TeamWork 5 Manager tutorial, I'm going to show you how to publish a forecast plan and turn it into a template you can use to build your schedules. To do that, go to your top menu bar and click on TeamWork. Be sure you have the enterprise or location selected that your plan is at. Then choose Forecasts. Next, select the plan you would like to publish. You can do that by choosing Plans in your new top menu bar or selecting the name of the plan to the right. I'm going to choose After Hours Test 2. To publish your plan, click Add next to Publish. Then choose the location you would like to publish this plan to. I'm going to select After Hours. If you changed your mind and you don't want to publish this plan, click Close. I do, so I'm going to choose Save. And now that plan has been published. Notice it's been published for all stations at that location. If you only want it to be for a specific station, click on Stations, then choose the arrow next to All, and choose Selected. Now you can select a specific station. In this case, I'm going to choose Cashier. If you changed your mind and you didn't want to adjust your stations, click Close. I do, so I'm going to choose Save. And now that plan has been published at After Hours for cashiers. Next, you need to create a template that you can use in your schedule. To do that, click the calendar icon next to Week Of. Then choose the week whose data you want to use. I'm going to go backwards to June and select that first week. Then give your new template a name. I'm going to call mine After Hours Test 2, just so I can remember which plan goes to which template. Then choose Execute. Now, under Results, you can see if your plan was executed and how many shifts were created. In my case, a lot were created because I'm using data I just made up. Now you've published your plan and created a template from it. To add that template to your schedule, go back to your top menu bar and select TeamWork. Choose the location you added your plan to, in this case, After Hours. Then I'm going to choose TeamWork again and select Schedules. You should arrive at your list of schedules. You can create a new schedule to use that template with, or you can add those shifts to a schedule you have already created. I'm going to choose this test schedule. Next, go to your new top menu bar and select Shifts. Then choose Add. From the drop-down menu, select Templates. Now I can see that After Hours Test 2 template is available. I can click on that, then choose My Dates. And if you changed your mind and you don't want to add these shifts, click Close. I do, so I'm going to choose Add. And now those shifts have been added. That's how you can publish a forecast plan and turn it into a template you can use to add shifts to your TeamWork 5 schedule. Check out the next video to learn more about your TeamWork 5 account.